Hello everyone, it is Sunday, February 28th, 2010, and this is your daily dose of reptile news. Even God rested on a Sunday, but no time for that. Anyway, our first story comes out of St. Augustine, where a car smashed into a telephone pole, knocking out the power, and the alligator farm had to take emergency precautions to keep their alligators alive. Apparently the weather had predicted 35-degree weather for that night, and they did not have the power that provided heat to the heaters for the alligators. They say that by midnight the power was restored, all the alligators are doing fine, and everybody is happy. Except the person that smashed into the pole, I guess. I don't know. Next, out of Winchester, Massachusetts. I guess it really doesn't belong on the news, but I thought it was cool because this is the grandma everybody wants to have. Picture right there, check that out. There's really not too horribly much to the story. Just talking about 88-year-old Louise Barker and her exotic pets, one of which is I believe it was a 6-foot-long python, and they also mentioned a corn snake in it. Anyway, if you want to read the whole story about Louise and her pets, the link's in the sidebar right there. Oh, high definition, down there probably. And anyway, I'm off. Second day of filming. Gonna be fun. Weather's beautiful outside, and yeah, look for that soon. If you want to read more, stories are in the sidebar. I don't have a question for today. Nobody's answered the last two, by the way, so go back and look at those and answer those. And don't forget to subscribe, rate, all that good stuff, and be good to each other.